Chief Justice of India, Dr. Y.B. Chandrachud, our Law Minister, Honorable Arjun Ram Meghwalji, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, Rachna ji, Vikrant ji, distinguished judges of the Supreme Court present here, distinguished office bearers of the Advocates on Record Association, my senior colleagues, brothers and sisters. As I was standing there, looking at the unfurling of the flag, I asked myself the question, what does freedom mean? As the flag unfurls, the winds of change make it go in different directions. It is free. It is free in every sense of the word, not inhibited by any external factors. And as I looked at that flag, I remembered the past with reflection. And I asked myself the question as to what is the future that holds for us. And if I look at the past, the ravages of the colonial rule reminds me of the fact that we, a great civilization, found ourselves competing with each other and allowing a foreign power to conquer us. The foreign power ravaged us, took away our resources. Their economy was run by the wealth of this nation. And they had no wish to leave us, except that having lost in the Second World War, they could not afford to continue to spend the money to retain the empire. And therefore it was the Labour government of Lord Attlee which decided to give up the empire, because they realized that the national movement had reached such a crescendo that the interim government that was installed in India would not last long. If you remember, the original day for independence that was fixed was in June 1948, not on August 15, 1947. But when the British realized that their interim government would not last long, they preponed it to August 15, 1947. And the date August 15, 1947 was not chosen by us. Mountbatten, who was then the Governor General here, had led a battle against the Japanese in Burma. And the Japanese surrendered in Burma on August 15, 1946. And it was the second anniversary of the surrender of the Japanese to Indians. And I still remember the words of Subhash Chandra Bose. He said, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom." I remember the words of our first Prime Minister when he said, "At the strike of the midnight hour, while the world sleeps, India will awaken to life and freedom." Those words I still remember, and they ring in my ear and will ring till I move on. That's the freedom that we cherish. And on August 15, this happened on August 14 midnight. On August 15, in his address in All India Radio, he said, "I am the first Prime Minister, I'm the first servant of the people of India." This is the spirit in which we wanted to uphold the values of our Constitution. But that was the past. Let us talk of the future. Political freedom is not the only freedom we cherish. The real freedoms will only come about when our people are free of discrimination, free of inequality, free of the squalor of poverty. And the fact that there are provisions in the Constitution which require the court and Parliament to do acts in favor of certain sections of the community is an example of an admission that we are not free. We need to be free. We need to get rid of inequality. We need to get rid of poverty. We need to be allowed to empower each citizen of this country so that he can move forward. 77 years is too short a time in the life of a nation which has suffered the scourge of captivity for 190 years. We all need to take a sankalp today, here, now, everyone in this country, that I will not wait till the last man at the bottom of the pyramid says, I am free.
Today he said that we're living in a communal civil code right now, but we need a secular civil code. What do you think about
Well, I don't want to comment on Independence Day on statements of this nature. The Prime Minister is free to make such statements, but I think on a pious day like this, when we are celebrating our independence, I don't think that I should, respond to statements that may appear to be divisive.
आपके नज़र में क्या कम्युनल सिविल कोड में हम जी रहे हैं?
नहीं, मेरी नज़र में इस समय आज के दिन स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन मैं कोई टिप्पणी नहीं करना चाहता। प्रधानमंत्री जी का हक है जो उनके मन।
प्रधानमंत्री जी को छोड़ दें, आज के दिन हम क्या
नहीं, प्रधानमंत्री जी की बात हो रही है ना। आप ही ने कहा कि उन्होंने ये बयान दिया है और मेरी आपने टिप्पणी मांगी है, तो मैं कहता हूँ कि आज के दिन स्वतंत्रता दिवस के दिन सही नहीं है मैं कोई टिप्पणी करूं। कोई विवाद हम किसी खड़ा नहीं करना चाहते। आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं उन शहीदों ने जिन्होंने अपनी जान दे दी, हाँ, और जिन्होंने हमें स्वतंत्रता दी। उस स्वतंत्रता को हमें कायम रखना है और कुछ भी हो जाए हम उसको कायम रखेंगे, हमारे वकील लोग रखेंगे और हमारे न्यायाधीश रखेंगे।